You have a right to. Yes. As my organ. Look like 1.9.
They say the top of his office.
Please tell the heads of agencies to come.
Yes, ma'am. He's coming up.
Okay, can I have the heads of agencies? Please step back. Okay. This is Professor Taufik Lada. He is DG of the National Nigerian Institute for Advanced Radio Studies.
Oga?
I don't need to do that introduction, right? I've just been scared. The Chairman, Chief Executive of the National Drug Law Enforcement.
His name is reputation.
Mr. Guitar. All right, then. This is Mr. Isai, journalist Isai. He's the Director General of Nigeria Copyright Commission. Okay, and you already met Professor Jumai Audi. He's the Director General of Legal Aid. Okay, Commissioner in the Law Reform Commission. Yes, sir. And then Professor Larry Chukwu is also a commissioner at the Nigerian Law Reform Commission. The third one is here. No, you don't need to meet the digital stuff. Absolutely no. You don't have to. You don't have to. Okay, and that's the secretary of the Law Reform Commission. Okay. Thank you, sir. Oh yes, the commission. I was looking for you, sir. Commissioner Law Reform.
Coming in late. As soon as we were through the swearing-in ceremony and all the paparazzi that followed, instruction came that we should go to the Federal Ministry, to the Office of Secretary to the Government, and collect our graduation certificate. Yeah, absolutely. So, I'm so sorry. So, I had to do one or two other things, which were things I could not just leave. So I apologize for keeping you waiting. Forgive me. It is not in my character to keep the gathering of this nature waiting. Let me say I am happy to be in your midst. And I'm not a good protocol man. But you see, I like doing copycat. I'm happy that people who had spoken before me, so I just borrowed from the protocol list that they did. A lazy man like me would just say, okay, I crave your indulgence to leverage an existing protocol. When I first came, and I saw the area of people at the entrance from the parastatals, I was so happy because these are people who have made it, and they came to adorn the parastatals with their wealth of experience. I'm always very happy to belong to this type of environment. The second one is amongst the directors or departments in the ministry. The ultimate for any lawyer is to aspire to become a senior advocate of Nigeria. And I'm happy that we have 1, 2, or 3 here. And I pray that before I leave, we have many more. One thing about the government, when this appointment came, and I received congratulatory messages even from people I never expected, who I had taken to be my arch critics. They came up with, oh, you will do well. I went into a corner and it was like I was crying. You don't just savour the comment. You also look at the implication, but the meaning of it. Expectation is high. It is very, very high unless you want to deceive ourselves. But I want you to know that it's not the expectation from you alone, because they know that I can't do it alone. I will rely on you and colleagues here. I want to tell you that I am open for suggestions, for, yes, criticisms. There's nothing bad in criticism, but it must be constructive. When you criticize, you prefer solution. If you want to ask me not to take Nestle, then you must be able to say, because it hasn't got alkaline, or what do you call it, give the one that is better. You don't just destroy. I am particularly happy to be with the Solicitor General. She has a subtle way of harassing you. There are ways of, you don't abuse your colleague, but you will make him do what he will not ordinarily do. You harass him. I'm happy to be with you. The Ministry of Justice holds a very strategic position in this country. There is hardly any ministry or government parastatal that is not service. None. And if you listen to the speech of Mr. President and his manifesto, everything is anchored on renewed hope. How are we to achieve this? If you remove the Ministry of Justice from the equation, then the whole thing is rubbish. There is hardly any relationship, contract, whether within or with the outside world, that will not come here. We also have to issue legal advice, civil, criminal. All these are involved. I want to plead with you that you please let us redouble our efforts. Like I said, I am open, but I follow the rules. Forgive me, maybe it's too early, but I don't expect a director to come to me straight without passing through the appropriate channel. Just as I do not, and I will not encourage a junior officer to bypass his director and go elsewhere. I want to plead with you, don't let us encourage it. There are ways of encouraging people, not by disobedience or riding short of the regulations. If you are not satisfied with what your immediate senior, I don't know the appropriate language, does, you always have layers of the dress mechanism. I want us to follow it. Like I said, it is not today that we exhaust all that we believe we should do. I want to plead that we should not unnecessarily delay files. It's not our matter. See, if you want to issue advice, whether for good or for bad. Rather than leave the outside world to be speculating, oh, it's because Shiru doesn't like my face, or it's because he said, no, it shouldn't be. Do it, but be thorough. Nobody has monopoly of knowledge or wisdom. Whatever we want to do, let us do it early enough. It is when we keep these things, unduly, that members of people will now open up our flanks for attack. This should not be. Don't expect that we'll be praised. At least not immediately. Yeah. Not immediately. So it is better that we do it guided by our conscience and our oath of office. I know the Solicitor General will still give me the opportunity to meet with the directors.
Yes,
And
the entire staff.
the entire staff. We'll have more to do. But I have come to you to be part or to be your partner in progress. And I want you to also partner with me. It doesn't mean that we don't disagree. You know, I'm coming from private sector. We disagree. But whatever disagreement, I want to assure you, is not born out of any malice or hatred. It is just that for every coin, there are always two sides. You will now see which one you should use. I want to thank you for your time. I want to assure you of my readiness to work with you. And if I take you for granted that you are also for me, I don't think I have done anything wrong. Permanent Secretary, Solicitor General, I thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable the Attorney General. We have now come to the end of this program, but in closing,